Hello, welcome to my second assignment. This is the assignment 2.1. It tried to communicate the processing with their P5.js. So as I understand that we first imported the WebSocket libraries, and then we use like the JSON object mouse course to kind of store information that we gonna send over, and then in here we start the web server with the label processing, and then here is the function mouse driver, which gonna store the mouse X and mouse Y value, and then send the message as a string to P5.js. So this is WebSocket server event handler. Well, we will send the message data here. So back to the P5.js, here we also have the X value and the Y value, and then we draw a canvas with K similar to processing, and then we give this an elif with the X value and the Y value with 10. And we also have function mouse move here with X value and Y value. So it will be kind of the same in processing. And then in here the WebSocket server, which will start a server again, and here we have function kind of opens the socket, like when socket ready to equal to truth, that means it's gonna start send information, and when it close the socket ready equal to false, it stop send information. So let's test it. Okay, go live. Yeah, it is working now. It is connected with each other. So next, I try to use the P5 sound library. At first, I download the library from the internet, and then I add more code. Here you can see on the Skate.js, adding more code. In here I add 2 line of code is a make new P5 audio in and make my start. Where do I get this method is from the P5 libraries example. So as you can see right here is the method. So it's my start as the same in here. I just apply it, and then I have the console.log volume at my level. Well, this console.log to check if the method is working or not. And then I added more as my level. The method aims to kind of send information over the processing as well. And then we have well, the my was defined over here with the map function, and the alert I plot a4 to kind of like at the beginning is it having a that we can see. If I don't plot 4 is we cannot see anything at the beginning when we don't speak. Okay, so get back to the WebSocket here. So we kind of have the my is collected in the size value, and well, everything that is now moved, and the function draw is similar to the last assignment. But the the elapse with the value plus 4 are the same to the P5.js. So yeah, I just run it. Okay, live. Wow, and yeah, I cannot get it working. It is connected, but my mic isn't running, so even I cut a knot with table, but nothing happened. And I go to the inspector, console log. Always take a while, so I got some error, and as you can see, it's running now. Yeah, but so the code actually work, but otherwise I got the other error from Chrome, and I tried to Google this, but well, it seemed to be there's no kind of specific answer for this. So well, I'm kind of sad because it isn't working for me. So this is the assignment 2.2. So in here we try to utilize the communication between the processing and the P5.js, and in here instead of sending the message of string, we send a message of the value x and the value y, included a comma. So now we just test this. Okay, go live. Okay, so yeah, you can see that it isn't connected anymore. Okay, the reason why it isn't connected because of in the P5.js they expect for the JSON string, but we send other kind of information. So so I try to split the comma from the value x and the value y, and then, well, as you can see, I'm using the split method here. So Ctrl S and then try it again. Okay, now it's working. Okay, as you can see, the connection between Unity and processing and web server is working well now. This is the assignment 2.3. At first, I download the package of OSC's open source control, and then I got the file right here, so many script, and first I create a OSC management object, and then I add two type of script is the chain master and OSC receiver, and I set the remote port to 8000 and this local port for 9000, and then with a cube I try to kind of script right here to the cube, and then I drag the OSC management game object to here, and then I change the address to fader and fader color, and then I I adding more script, follow the lecture of lab teacher. First I change the namespace, and then mode of start adding in here, and then I add a bit of update function, and then well, but it seemed to be doesn't work for me. That test, and I don't know why it doesn't work. Oh, well, it's just working for a while, and then after that connection closed. I don't know why it's just working for a while. Let's say, yeah, it's just working for a while. So that's this is the assignment 2.3. I would like to look at the code a little bit. So the part public state right here is create an object with the x position and the y position when it receives the data from JSON file. Here is some kind of debug log. It's like keep tracking on what's happening, and the part right here, when Unity receive a message, the message is string, so it needs to like kind of decode the string, and indicate here that used the method like create from JSON. Okay, and then the pop-up JSON. Well, the flow was kind of convert data when they receive it, and then using the map function, and then the chain transform permission is use new vector tool. So kind of this vector 2 is used for like 2D, and it's use the value from here, and then okay, this part kind of send message when it's open. What I mean when WebSocket open. And then here we have private close. Okay, this part that's when I close browser, it will close the WebSocket as well. Yeah. Okay, and then I try to test. Okay, it's working, and you can see it print the value of y value and x value. Okay,